Today, we're diving into the world of server memory with the NEMIX RAM 512GB DDR5 4800MHz kit. Designed specifically for servers requiring DDR5 RAM modules, this upgrade promises to revolutionize your server's performance. Boasting a massive 512GB capacity spread across 16 modules of 32GB each, it's tailored for heavy-duty tasks and demanding workloads. First off, let's talk about speed. With a blazing fast memory speed of 4800 MHz, this kit ensures lightning-fast data access and processing, ideal for high-performance computing environments. Whether you're running complex simulations, handling big data analytics, or powering virtualization tasks, this DDR5 RAM kit is up to the challenge. Moreover, the ECC, error-correcting code, RAM design provides an extra layer of reliability and stability, crucial for mission-critical operations. It utilizes registered DIMMs, enhancing memory signal integrity and minimizing electrical load on the memory controller, resulting in improved system reliability. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a multi-layer density PCB with gold leads and major brand chipsets. This ensures durability and compatibility with a wide range of server systems, including NAS, rack servers, and blade servers. Plus, with NEMIX RAM's compatibility guarantee and lifetime replacement warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the 288-pin design, but remember, this kit is not intended for PC computers. It's specifically tailored for servers, so make sure your system is compatible before making the upgrade. In conclusion, the NEMIX RAM 512GB DDR5 4800MHz kit is a powerhouse solution for servers in need of a performance boost. With its impressive capacity, lightning-fast speed, and rock-solid reliability, it's the ultimate choice for demanding server environments. If you're looking to take your server performance to the next level, look no further than this exceptional memory upgrade from NEMIX RAM. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.